too has been a beauty. We suffered a lot of rain in June, which ruined our fruit, but ever since July, late July actually, we've had beautiful sunshine, very little rain. I don't think we've had more than 2 or 3 days of rain for all of late July, all of August, September. We're now in October and we're still harvesting fruit and flowers. So this is a few photos from our garden and a few videos. Candid camera. I'm going to film our winter crocuses. Oh yeah, whoa, these ones under the tree. Paul's cutting our plum tree down. It's taking up space we need to grow vegetables. With the coming food shortages, we think that we probably need to grow lots of more food. There's the top of the plum tree as it's been cut down this morning. I think this was my most successful plant this year. This begonia's dying down now, but oh boy, it's been lovely. Can't wait to harvest this tomato. Look at those winter crocus. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. Please come back again and visit. Bye-bye.